On the COVID front tonight, the numbers are still trending down. It's a welcome relief for healthcare workers and many here in Southeast Texas. Let's look at it by the numbers. We have a total of 103 COVID patients in Jefferson County hospitals tonight. As you can see, the ICU is still full, but only half of the patients are even there because of COVID. And this bar graph really putting the decline into perspective. We're dipping down to some of the totals we're seeing at the beginning of the year, but it's apparent that this latest surge was our worst. It's numbers like these that really have compelled the CDC to urgently warn those who are pregnant to get vaccinated. A doctor shares more with 12 News reporter Christiana Ramos on why the consequences of not getting the vaccine could be dire for you and your baby.
All soon-to-be parents want what's best for their unborn baby. So it's no wonder when it comes to the COVID-19 vaccine, they've got questions.
If I get the vaccine, how will it affect the growth of my baby? Will I be able to carry full term?
Jalen Robertson says she was hesitant to get the vaccine, but after getting more info, she decided to roll up her sleeves.
You know, it was going to be the best option for me and the baby.
Doctors say misinformation about the vaccine is causing expectant mothers to opt out nationwide. Only 31% of pregnant people received the COVID-19 vaccine. Local health experts say that number is low.
We have not seen just an extremely large amount of pregnant females coming in for COVID vaccines, but we have seen some.
I've seen so many more COVID pregnant patients this year than I did last year, even in the surge.
The CDC says 22,000 pregnant people were hospitalized due to COVID. Some are Dr. Sharon Smith's patients.
I've had moms hospitalized. I've had moms in the ICU.
161 pregnant people have died. 22 of those deaths happened in August alone.
Patients who have actual symptoms of COVID-19 disease, a 70% chance of death.
Now, the agency screaming it's time to get the shot. But will the vaccine affect your pregnancy?
There's no evidence that the COVID vaccine causes any problems with the pregnancy at all.
Data from the CDC says there was no increase in miscarriage among the vaccinated. Instead, officials warn lack of immunization can lead to an increased risk of adverse pregnancy outcomes like preterm birth or stillbirth. Christiana Ramos, 12 News.